And we're back with another episode of ENZ TV. Today we are covering a whole new topic, tiling. Most of our home designs have all white tiling because many of our clients request a clean and modern look and feel. Fun fact, our contractors actually stay at the build during the project and travel back to their homes on the weekend, so they are working all around the clock to ensure your build is completed by the deadline. We wanted to give a special shout out to them. They work so hard and we truly appreciate our contractors for all the work that they do. That's Yvonne's, the E in ENZ. He is the project manager for all of our building projects and he hires all of our vendors. He explains here that the beauty of a home has a lot to do with the inside finishings, like tiling. This process can be as inexpensive or as expensive as you would like, but it's very important and contributes to the overall look and feel of the home. Ready to build your own Ghana Dream home? Shoot us an email today and we'll be more than happy to assist.